Lamdam asida houjik thokliba Irang Asi laining laishon ga mari leinaba Irang natte haina Dimapur Christian Forum gi Chairman Reverent Moses Murrey na phongdorakli. Dimapur Christian Forum amasung All Manipur Christian Organization ani na sinduna Chingmairong da laiba Tangkhul Baptist Church ta pangthokiba tongan ba pastor amasung luchingba singda Kudol tambagi thoram Amada wafam asi mahang phongdokibani. Reverend Moses Murrey na makata na hai laining amabu ikai kumnabu utpadanatana laining laishon da Yumpham Oiraga Irang Asi Maikei Amada Punaba Hotnaroidabani. Nungsi chanaba amasung tangdu laitaba hanjilhanaba hotnabada isor da thazaba thamduna amatta oina punsinaba hotnaminasi haina mahang phongdokhi. Tharamadu da All Manipur Christian Organization ki President Simon Rongmai, Maikei Christian Churches Council Manipur ki President Kumar Amadi, Pastor Chahum Rom na sarukya ki bagaloina isorgi mafam da Manipur da tangdu laitaba amuk hanjilaknaba thawni thoram amasu pangthokhi.
As far as Manipur issue is concerned, I believe that the crisis has not been started on religious issue. However, because of the violence has gone to the extent of destroying the religious institutions, including the churches. Because of that, maybe locally as well as nationally, internationally, people's sentiments have been hurt, and therefore people are thinking this is something like religious issue. Irrespective of religious, I'm saying again, we must concern for each other, we must love each other.